Hi everyone! Today's video we are going to show you our trip to La Rochelle and Île de Ré here in France. But first we had to try out our new improvements in our van, like the solar panels and a new cupboard and stuff like that, bits and bobs. So yeah, everything went fine. We found this lovely spot by the lake. It's called Lac Bardou and it's nearby our place. And yeah, everything worked out. We had electricity all night long, so it was cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoy our trip.
Après, on est Non, arrête, c'est si tu rigoles à un rire de tout ça, c'est un nez. Qui dit à sa mère, maman, elle dit t'inquiète pas, il est bien.
You want to stop? We can.
Non, c'est ce que je fais. Vas-y, à moi. Ah bah du coup j'en refais une, hein. Pourquoi? Bah parce que si c'est déjà fait. Ah non. Non, mais arrête de boire. En fait, c'est quelqu'un qui veut faire un tour de plongée en bouteille. C'est chiant avec un mec qui veut faire un truc. Non, et du coup, il descend à 10 mètres. Il descend à 10 mètres, on voit quelqu'un. Il descend à 10 mètres, c'est pas toujours le même mètre. Il descend à 30 mètres c'est profond. Et il va toujours le même mètre. Il va toujours le même mètre. Première dose, et qu'est-ce que tu fais? Le gars, il prend la dose. Attends.
For a flat road, there is a helicopter.
Here we are on our way to Île de Ré, which is home to glorious beaches, vineyards, salt fields, and authentic French villages. Île de Ré has been the second home of fashionable Parisians for generations, and I can understand why. It's lovely, not much tourists around, so it's quiet and it's stunning. It's really idyllic. We found a lovely spot by the sea, 50 meters, and we had full moon, we had sunset, we had sunrise. We cycled around, which is the best way to explore the island, is cycling, and fortunately we took our bikes in our bus, so yeah, it was lovely, despite the sore bum the day after, and after 3 days my bum was sore, but it's fine. And the history of the place is outstanding as well. With Roman times, it used to be an archipelago of 3 islands, and then became one because of human activity and the salt fields and stuff like that. And well, when the English and the French were fighting a lot over this island, it was English and then became French and then became English again and again became French again, and it was lots of fighting. Also, in the Second World War, the Germans were there, so you still can see the bunkers. There is a photograph of Lawrence in front of a bunker in this video. So yeah, it's everything amazing. The food is delicious. I had very fresh oysters, which I enjoyed a lot, and fish, and it's lovely, really cool. Yeah, we really recommend.
Oh, yeah. Go. Child. Ooh la la. but the camera doesn't pick up this beauty. Look, 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 look.